The next mission to accomplish is going 8 seconds.
Wacky dip.
The man himself.
Jamaica, I'm coming.
Put on my yard there.
Big lad.
Controlling things, you see me?
Jamie Marshall. And I said, Spaceship, listen, that's the first day I met Spoon. Any front-wheel drive in Jamaica?
Mr. Xavier Murray. Tevar.
Buju, Kenty, Johns.
They somewhat
Yes, motivated.
motivated
You
you.
didn't even have to say it. And if no one wants to race me, I'm just gonna pop up.
Do you now feel like you have a target on your back?
I would hope I do. All-wheel drive record will be broken. The Mayweather version 2 is
Still in shock.
This is gonna be very big for the sport. Unfortunately, we had the accident, but the guy, I mean, your eyes were behind the camera. I just got so depressed, I just said, I can't do it, I give up. And I gave up.